Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iMessage not working on iPhone. A text was not delivered, your iPhone is not receiving text, iMessage is grayed out and you are getting an iMessage needs to be ended to send this message pop up, or you are having other iMessage problems. So in this video I'll tell you some solutions to fix this, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First I'll tell you some easy ways to fix iMessage not working. Most of the time iMessage not working is a bug in iOS or iPadOS, so check to see if there is an iPadOS or iOS update that will fix the glitch. For this you just need to go to settings and then scroll down, choose general option, choose software update and wait until the page is loading. See if there is any update available, then tap on update now and update the latest version of iOS and you are done. And the next step is reset network settings. It's simply going to reset your iPhone's internet network settings. Go to settings. Next scroll down, go to general options, scroll down to the bottom and choose transfer or reset iPhone, then choose reset and choose reset network settings. From here it will ask you to enter your passcode, so enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to reset network settings on your iPhone and you are done. So next you should also check your Wi-Fi. To check your Wi-Fi connection, open the settings app and then tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure Wi-Fi is toggled on and you are connected to a network. Connection is indicated by a blue check mark and you are done. And the next step is auto set date and time. For this go to settings, next scroll down, choose general option, then scroll down and choose date and time option, then toggle on set automatically and you are done. And the next step is turn iMessage off and on. For this open the settings app, then scroll down to the bottom to the app section, tap on it. Next scroll down and search for messages, or you can search it from here. Scroll down, here you will see the option of iMessage, tap on its toggle button to turn it off. Then wait for some time and after some time tap on its toggle button to turn it back on. And you are done. And the next step is set phone number in send and receive iMessages. Is iMessage grayed out or are iMessages sent in from email instead of your phone number? For this open settings and then scroll down to the bottom, go to app section, search for messages app. Next scroll down and choose send and receive. Choose where you can be reached with iMessage. If iMessage is grayed out, select your emails. Go to step 2 and return to make sure your number is checked. You should also be able to reselect your email if desired. If your iMessage problem is that they are sending from your email, locate start new conversation from and select your number instead of an email. This should fix the iMessage grayed out issue and you are done. And also you should sign out of iMessage and sign back in. If iMessage still isn't working, try this last step. The last resort I recommend trying is signing out of your Apple ID and signing back in. For this go to settings and then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Next scroll down to the bottom and choose sign out and after some time sign back in to your Apple account and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iMessages not working on iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.